Oh, listen, sister, I love my Mr. Man, and I can't tell you why. There ain't no reason why I should let that man. It must be something that the angels don't plan. The chimney's smoking, the roof is leaking, but he don't seem to care. He can be happy with just a sip of dew. I even loves him when his kisses got fish got to swim and birds got to fly. I gotta love one man till I die. Can't help loving that man of mine. Tell me he's easy, tell me he's slow, tell me I'm crazy, maybe I know. Can't help loving that man of mine. When he goes away, that's a rainy day, and when he comes back, that day is fine. The sun will shine. He can come home as late as can be. Home without him ain't no home to me. Can't help loving that man of mine. Fish go